The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. Install the UKU main module on a wall outside the sauna room. Now, let's go through the installation steps. Mount the UKU main module on the wall using the 4 screws provided. The screw holes are located in the corners of the unit. Inside the package, you'll find plastic grommets. Use these for safely pulling wires into the box. At the bottom of the main module, you'll see openings for routing the wires inside. Start by connecting the low current cables, like the one for the UKU display unit. Make sure the wiring order is exactly the same on both ends, in the display and in the main module. For example, white to 1, yellow to 2, green to tree, and brown to 4. Ensure that the cables are properly secured to the terminal. One grommet is closed, pop a hole into it so you can pull the cables through. Next, connect the door sensor to terminals O1 and O2. Polarity doesn't matter for this connection. Same goes for the temperature sensor, connected to terminals T1 and T2. Again, polarity is not important. Now for the heater connection. Use a heat-resistant cable and make sure to clean the cable ends properly. Crimping is mandatory. Connect the red wire to terminal U, the black wire to V, and the ground wire to the grounding terminals on the left side of the module. Finally, connect the power cable. Red goes to L2, black goes to L1. And the ground wire connects to the same grounding terminal on the left. Now take a moment to double check all cable connections. Pause the video if needed. Once everything looks good, close the cover of the main module. For further questions, please visit our website HUUMSauna.com or contact your local reseller.